The first step we're going to start with is the basic business settings. Now, that is accessible by going to the company settings from the left side menu and choosing the first one. The basic business settings is where you can fill some of the basic business information. As you can see here, you have the company information, including your company name, company contact email, company contact number. You can choose your currency from a drop-down menu that has abbreviations of the currencies. Now, once you choose a currency, of course, it will lock because this is the currency where it displays to your clients and, of course, transmits to all your reports. So make sure to pick the correct currency before saving. You also have the location, which is Google Map integrated. So if you input the location the same way you would put it on Google Map, it will reflect here in a drop-down menu. Or if you are currently at the location of the business, you can click on this arrow here, where it will take your current location. If your company is registered, you can, of course, put a registered company name and the company registration number. The registered company name and the company registration number reflect on your invoices and receipts. If we move a little bit downwards, we've got the company tax, which can be enabled and or disabled. You have the tax name, which can be VAT, can be anything else. You have the tax rate, which is percentage based, and of course the tax expiry month, which is how often do you pay your taxes. Now, if you have your taxes enabled, please make sure to input all your prices tax inclusive. That means the tax is with the price itself, because once you do a transactions, once you sell something to a client, it will deduct the percentage of the tax before issuing a receipt into your cash report. We're going to scroll down to see our cancellation policy. The cancellation policy can be enabled or disabled. And once it's enabled, it's divided into two sections. We have the activity cancellation and we have the private session cancellation. You can input the window for each one and make sure to input it in minutes. For example, 1,440 is 24 hours. And of course, you can input a cancellation fee as well. Now, the policy here, it will give you some guidance towards how the cancellation policy operates. If you have a pass-based membership, and memberships is something we're going to talk about at a later video, you have the pass-based membership, which means you are selling a specific number of passes, say 10 passes per month for a client, then of course the system will deduct one pass if the client late cancels or does not show up to that specific class or private session. If you have a pre-selected process, that means when a client wants to book, they have to pick their package, and based on the package, they choose their days, and they're automatically booked for the whole duration of the package. Then in this scenario, it will count them as if they attended. So there's no fees applied to the first two. The only type of package where the fees are applied are in the unlimited. So an unlimited package is a package that is open-ended, which means, let's say you have a boxing class, for example. If you have a boxing class and you have a boxing package that is unlimited, and you're running that boxing class 5 times a week, the client who has an unlimited package can book as much as they want from those 5 classes for the duration that you give them. So it's open-ended. And of course, we have our availability hours. So from here, you can select which days you are open or closed. All right, so you can tick them off one by one. If there are days that you are off, for example, on Wednesday you're off, you can tick it off. You can input at what time do you open till what time do you close. And of course, if your day is segmented into different timings, you can always click on the plus sign here, and you can say you open from 9 a.m. till, say, 12 p.m., then from 2 p.m. till 6 p.m. What that means is from 12 till 2, you are actually closed. So this is everything regarding the basic business settings, and we'll see you on our next video regarding the branches.